we'll click on them and look at them very closely, try to figure out what we're doing for the sol. So it looks like we have different images that we're going to be taking of different targets. So there's our target, our problem. So it looks like these two activities are happening at the same time. So I can unbreak that, and now I get a different one. So it's probably caused by all of these happening at the same time. This is the compass, and so I can see if, and then I can look down here and see activity.
But it's not represented in the SASH as...
The MSLICE has their own icons for each subsystem.
Right.
Which doesn't match the color necessarily.
Right.
Yes, yeah, the color doesn't necessarily represent this. They will, actually. They will. When they're looking at this ChemCam activity to understand it, they will expand it and like inspect.
Okay, so what are they doing?
There's a big table of like turn this on at this time, turn this on at this time, turn it off, turn it, you know, all that sort of stuff.
Another question about, so like you're using the plan hierarchy view like the whole time.
Mm-hmm.
So in
about 15 minutes of margin in here to clean up. Well, see, we have a cleanup and a margin.
Mm-hmm.
So they were so worried about this saw that this was presented eventually as the sequence, even though inside of here, if you open it up, you have like these, and that's why they're called masters.
Okay, so it's like basically the metaphors are from the actual sequence that are running.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so this is all just in here to represent like the various calls, and then like this Molly has a seek ID, so it's this is an observation, right? But what they can do is they can say, well, and this plan looks like it only has one submaster, so that's the submaster right there. And then inside of that, you have all the individual. This is actually a bunch of. You can close engineering keep out. There you go. And so this is the first day we have.
Scroll down.
No, that's it. I mean, just open it up another time so you can get a picture of it, and you'll get this error. So the idea is that you can
Zoom actually like zooms.
Yeah, it's all OpenGL.
It's all OpenGL enabled. We actually, so in theory, we could do that with our time. Done making sure that we could actually handle. Oh yeah, so this is an overhead view. Them projecting
a little bit.
Yeah. So what they actually did is, this is where the mast is itself. You always get that little like area.
Like smart playlist.
Yeah, like sol, like where sol equals or that sort of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, like from what we saw in the current MSLICE search view, we've got, there's no table view. The way that the actual